In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the Steam PayPal bug. If you're a gamer, this is a must-know, especially if you prefer using PayPal to handle your transactions on Steam. We all know how frustrating it can be when your payment doesn't go through, leaving you stranded, unable to purchase that game you've been eagerly waiting for. So, let's dive into the solution that will hopefully have you back in the game as seamlessly as possible. First, you'll want to start by checking if there are any outstanding issues with your PayPal account itself. Log into your PayPal account through a web browser and look out for any notifications or alerts that could potentially be causing the problem. Often, unresolved issues or limitations on your PayPal can lead to mishaps during transactions. Addressing these first can save you a lot of potential hassle. Now, once you've ensured your PayPal is in good standing, head over to your Steam client and log into your account. Click on your username in the top right corner and select Account Details from the drop-down menu. Here, you'll want to check that your saved PayPal information is accurate. Sometimes, outdated or incorrect information can lead to payment errors. If you notice any discrepancies in your store details, make sure to update them to reflect the current ones. Next, it's a good idea to clear your browser cache and cookies. This isn't tied directly to your Steam client, but if you're making a purchase through the Steam store in a web browser, this step can clear up any potential conflicts caused by old data stored on your device. To do this, go into your browser settings, locate the History section, and then choose to clear your browsing data. Be sure to include cookies and cache in the items to be cleared. After clearing the cache, relaunch Steam and attempt the purchase again. But before proceeding, double-check your internet connection. A weak connection can sometimes be the culprit for incomplete transactions. Ensure that you have a stable connection and maybe reset your router if you suspect there might be an issue. If you're still facing difficulties, consider using a different payment method temporarily. Often, switching to a direct debit or credit card on file can help complete the purchase, allowing you continued access to your games until you figure out the root of the PayPal issue. Lastly, if none of these techniques solve the problem, reaching out to Steam support is your best bet. They have the tools and information to look deeper into your account and identify any restrictions or errors leading to the issue. Be prepared to provide details of the error message or codes you may have encountered for a more efficient troubleshooting experience. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve most of the common issues related to the Steam PayPal bug. Hopefully, you find this guide helpful and can get back to enjoying your gaming adventures with minimal interruption. Thank you for watching, and happy gaming!